Hello everyone, and welcome to Delph Stack. If you are missing out on important likes, comments, or direct messages because your TikTok notifications have suddenly stopped showing up, the problem is usually a conflict between the app and your phone's system settings. I will show you exactly how to troubleshoot and fix your notification alerts right now. Let's get started. First, we need to make sure you haven't accidentally turned off your alerts directly inside TikTok. Open the app, tap on your profile in the bottom right corner, and click the three horizontal lines at the top. Select Settings and Privacy, and then tap on Notifications. Go through the list and ensure the toggles for likes, comments, messages, and live alerts are actively switched on. Also, check the push notification schedule to make sure your alerts aren't being muted during certain hours. Next, even if your in-app settings are correct, your phone's operating system might be blocking them. If you're on an iPhone, go to your phone's main settings, tap Notifications, find TikTok, and ensure Allow Notifications is toggled on. If you're on an Android device, open Settings, go to Apps, find TikTok, and tap Notifications. Make sure that all notifications is enabled and that they are not accidentally set to silent mode. Finally, if both of those settings look correct but you still aren't receiving pop-ups, your phone is likely suppressing background activity. Check your control center and make sure Do Not Disturb or a specific focus mode isn't currently active. Additionally, check your battery settings. On iPhone, make sure Low Power Mode is turned off. On Android, go to Battery Optimization, find TikTok, and select Don't Optimize to ensure the app is allowed to fetch new alerts in the background. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.